Tjena allesammans! In today's episode of CarSnipers, we are going to Orlando, Florida to check out a 1970 Ford pickup truck. My name is Sammy Solstad. Welcome to CarSnipers. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Here we go. Alright, so we got here. It looks like it's a shop. You got some badass trucks in the back. Let's go and check it out. Supra. Hi, how you doing? Hey, what's up, buddy? Sam. All right, so that was not the place, and the truck and the Supra and all this other fun stuff was not his, but it should be down the door here on the other end of the building. So let's go and see if we can find him. Hi, how you doing? So after taking a good look at this, I do not think we have a deal here. It's way more rusty and way more bondoy than he said from the beginning. V8 302, power steering, brake booster. So that's all good, that's nice. But the roof is a killer. We're gonna try to start her up and see how she runs. Okay, so here it is, 1970 Ford pickup truck, V8 with AC in it. Looked really good when we saw it on the ad. Was a steal of a deal if it was like the ad stated. Unfortunately, we have little surface rust everywhere. That's okay, no biggie. You know, it's a Florida truck from the beginning. Has some rust holes here. Not terrible, is it? But then we have the roof. The roof is completely full of Bondo. If you look on the inside, I'm just gonna leave it to that. But the rest of the inside is pretty good, pretty decent. It is a V8 automatic, ice cold AC, the whole 9 yards there, power steering, power brakes. So that's really good. But it's been in Florida its whole life. It's been sitting outside. It came from a girl who got it from her dad when he passed away. She probably left it sitting outside. The salt in the air started rusted out the roof, rusted out some small places, and unfortunately this truck sat a little too long. But it runs and drives good. So if you don't care about swapping out the roof and repairing some rust and floor pans and other stuff, this would have been a really good truck. But for the person we are here today to look at it for, he's not into repairing any rust. We did know about, of course, we knew about the hood. I had Bondo on it and primer. We knew about this little spot. But this, guys, you couldn't see it in the pictures at all. And actually when we got there, the seller was like, the first thing he said before we even came up to the truck, I said, from about 50 feet, I said, oh, that looks really nice. And he said, yeah, it's just the roof. And I was like, what's up with the roof? And I just talked to the buyer, and it's not even an offer on it because he do not want to deal with a rusty roof. So we're gonna leave this truck here for today and head back home. Who knows, maybe we find another buyer who is actually interested in repairing these kind of stuff, that don't like to do engine work instead. You can buy all the skims for the roof and the floor pans and all this stuff for this truck. So the chances is not impossible that we are going to be back here and buy it for somebody else. But for me personally, and for the guy we're actually here to do the inspection for, it's a no-go. And there is 1,000 other trucks to look at. So we're gonna say thank you very much for letting us come and check it out. But it's time for us to go and hit the road again, find something else. So if you do like this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and we'll see you in the next episode. Hey, hey.